Today, let us learn a new word. Toro ogologo. It is tall. Is tall. Toro ogologo means is tall. The ogologo means it is long. The ogologo, it is long. You can still use toro ogologo for an animal. Toro ogologo for an animal. So if I want to say he is tall, o toro ogologo. She is tall, o toro ogologo. It is tall. Say it is a non-living thing, o di ogologo. A living thing, o toro ogologo. So we are tall, anyị toro ogologo. Onyeka is tall, Onyeka toro ogologo. They are tall, ha toro ogologo. This chair is long, ocha di ogologo. So, yeah, I have an assignment for you. If snake in Igbo is agwo, how will you say the snake is long in the Igbo language? If you learn something new, please kindly like this video, share, comment, tell me what you learned new, and also follow and subscribe. This means a whole lot to me. Meanwhile, if you want to learn the Igbo language in a more structured format, then take advantage of our discount and register for our upcoming Igbo class. Check description, comment section, caption for details.